Welcome back. Today we learn about the remaining inheritance concepts. In the previous video, we learned about the single level, multi-level inheritance. Today we shall see about the multiple, hierarchical and hybrid inheritance. So firstly, it is the multiple inheritance. So this is the feature of C++ where a class can inherit from more than one class. That is, one subclass is inherited from more than one base class. Class A is the derived class from two base classes, class B and class C. Next one is the hierarchical inheritance. And in this type, more than one subclass is inherited from a single base class. That is, more than one derived class is created from single base class. So class B and class E are the derived classes derived from one single base class, class G. The final one is the hybrid inheritance, which is also known as the virtual inheritance, and it is the combination of more than one type of inheritance. So in this example, it is the combination of both hierarchical and multiple inheritance. So class E is derived from class F and class G. This is the multiple inheritance. Class A and class C are derived from class B. This is the hierarchical inheritance. Okay, now let us understand these multiple inheritance, for which I'm going to write the code hash include iostream using namespace. And this is one base class, class A, inside the public. I'm declaring a variable 10. And this is the constructor inside which I'm writing a cout, specifying it as class A. Okay. Okay, so this is the definition for class A. And again, we are going to have the same syntax for class B also, but with name changes alone. So I'm using the same code. Class B, I'm initializing the variable B with 20. This is the constructor for class B. And I'm printing it as class B. Fine. Now, this is the derived class which inherits class A and class B. Inside its public section, I'm again declaring a variable, initializing it with 30. And this is going to be the constructor for that. Writing a cout. Class C inherits class A and B. Right. Okay. Now, getting into the main function, I'm declaring the object for the derived class C, and this object is used to access both A and B, the variables A and B. So let us fix that. Okay. Okay, now the same thing. Here I am printing B. And here, this is the C out for C. Okay. Let us save the code. Multiple inherit dot CPP. Okay. I'm compiling it and executing it. Multiple inherit dot CPP. Yes. Okay. See the constructors. When the object for the class C is created itself, all the three constructors are called, and after that only we are displaying the variables A, B, and C. Okay. Hope you are all clear with multiple inheritance. So we'll meet you in the next video with the new topic. Thank you.